Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be touching my beds. And by the way, sorry for not doing a video in a while because I've been really busy this year lately, so I hope you apologize. But I apologize. So I'm going to be doing a video about holding my chick, and you've been wondering what you have a chick. Well, it's born lately and I touched it already. Well, I decided to make a video to touch it on my YouTube channel, so I'm gonna do it. And by the way, it's right outside in the balcony and it was born, and I will tell you the story a bit later. But by the way, the bird is a budgie, and because we were doing it all in one cage with the bed, and then a lot of the birds, the chicks that were born died because lots of the budgies keep pushing it out of the cage. So my dad separated the birds, so now they're safe now. Oh. And by the way, we have not named them yet, and we have them for a little bit of a while now. What the heck was that? Say hello! Oh my gosh, the cage is too close. This is the cage where the birds are in. Some of the birds are in this cage, but most of the birds I think are in this cage. I just gotta move that though. I'm scared. Okay, everybody, I'm not gonna hold them straight away. I'm just gonna touch them. Oh my gosh, put it down, put it down. Beep, 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 beep.
Put it in your palm.
I'm not sure how to put it in my palm immediately, Daddy. Oh my God. I'm just gonna touch it first because I'm not sure yet. Don't bite me. I am good. Oh my God. Beep, beep, boop, beep, beep, beep. Is it smiling or
Give me your palm.
Oh, don't let it touch me. Don't let it touch me. Please don't let it touch me, Daddy. I am extra scared of this. Ow, Daddy. Ow, ow, ow. Yay! Hi, everybody. No, Daddy, it's gonna bite me. It's gonna bite me. It's gonna bite me. Oh my God. I want to touch them. This might be a short video, everybody. Alright, everybody. I don't want to touch it again because the nails are a bit too sharp. Okay, come on, everybody. Oh. We gotta put them back. The parents will be upset. They will attack us if we leave it too long out.
Repeat.
And everybody, there's like 3 here, and there's another one. Maybe I think this cage right here. 2 birds, 2 baby birds. I meant. Oh my God, 2 chicks. And I'm going to tell you more about these birds a bit later. We're just gonna put this back, everybody.
Go.
Kamusta? The baby chicks. My dad is breeding the budgies and the baby ones, especially the baby ones. Be careful with these ones, they will die. If the other ones did not die from the other cage, then we'll have like multiple of them. It's nice. Bye everyone. I'll give you an update, like a part 2, which is an easier way to say it, about these birds. And sorry, this is a short video. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye everybody.
Ba-da-ba-ba.